moment when you recork a bottle and it just won't fit in the fridge? These stoppers are all about overcoming it. GIR's low-profile bottle stoppers are designed to fit in tight spaces, like refrigerator shelves and wine coolers. When we started thinking about bottle storage, we realized that we could take the eye-catching height of tall decorative stoppers and translate it into a form factor that combines striking design with go-anywhere usefulness. Two of our stoppers have hidden corks and an elegant outer body that hugs any bottle neck. The third is a simple, streamlined design inspired by our silicone storage lids.
Taking on the task of creating bottle stoppers with a low-profile design opened up a great opportunity for us to look at a bottle's neck as valuable real estate.
Like everything we do, it's about more than just making things look awesome. Each cork has several fins providing a multi-stage airtight seal, so you can even put your bottles on their sides worry-free.
We're not just focusing on function, we're creating art that works.
It's a more intelligent approach to bottle stoppers, and we think you'll love it.
If you ask any chef, they'll tell you that a high-quality chef knife is the most essential tool in the kitchen and is used to make virtually every dish. My mission is ambitious, but I want to make the world's best kitchen knives. Hello, my name is Adam Ackerman and I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I also love to cook. This has led me to found my new company, Habitat. Our first product is the game-changing Knasa chef knife, which is ultra sharp and stays sharp 5 times longer than any other steel knife on the market. We've reinvented the chef's knife as we know it.
And liftoff.
NASA conducted 4 space flight experiments that helped perfect a new alloy that's twice as strong as titanium. The use of this ultra-hard metal is the first real innovation in knife making in hundreds of years. The Knasa knife edge is formed using this patented alloy from NASA. The patent-pending step you are seeing here is the permanent bonding of this revolutionary alloy to the stainless steel knife body. The result is a knife that's among the sharpest in the world right out of the box, and stays sharp 5 times longer. It's better than the most expensive professional knives for a fraction of the price. Here you see close-ups of the self
Everyone knows that cleaning a whisk is a pain. Whisk Wiper makes whisking easy. Insert the whisk into Whisk Wiper, taking a moment to line up the loops. Then whisk away. It keeps the loops up off the counter, and it even catches drips. You can rest the whisk on the edge of the bowl or on the edge of the sink. When you're done, instead of washing all of that food and water down the drain, simply pull Whisk Wiper off and return 95% of the food to the bowl. But that's not all. Save every last bit using Whisk Wiper to wipe out the bowl. It even gets square corners. Whisk Wiper is a real time saver, more hygienic, and makes whisking easy.
Hi, I'm Doug Foreman, and I'd like to introduce to you the first and only spray that uses real butter and goes from butter stick to butter spray in just a few seconds. It's called Beam. If you love cooking, eating, and entertaining like I do, then you probably love using real butter. Now, I've been involved in launching a number of healthy food brands, Benito's for one, and I've also been around long enough to remember when butter was given a bad rap and we were all told to eat margarine. And now we know that margarine didn't have such a great impact on our health. Just like you, I like to use real butter when I'm cooking or just eating toast. But the problem with butter is that when people keep it in the fridge, it's always hard and cold. It tears up the toast. Or if you're cooking with it, by the time it melts in the pan, you burn it. So we decided to invent a better way to store and use butter. And here it is, the Beam Butter Sprayer. We created the Beam with a team of world-class engineers from San Francisco. We wanted something that was beautiful, simple, and easy to use, something that you'd be proud of to have in your kitchen or dining room. And we think we've done it. Just insert a stick of butter here, and in seconds, Beam liquefies only the butter you need, not the whole stick, and you're ready to spray in a steady, even beam. You can beam pans for cooking and food release. You can beam bread and rolls, or make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. You can beam vegetables with just the right amount of butter, and my favorite, beam popcorn for perfect coverage without getting soggy. You can even use the Beam with your favorite cooking oils, even coconut oil if that's what you like. The Beam has a patent-pending nozzle design that won't clog and a high-density rechargeable battery. You can store it on the countertop or in the fridge. It's easy to clean with water and a drop of detergent, and it rinses clean with just the push of a button. We've spent the last 2 years in design and research to perfect the spray, the reliability, and the long life of the Beam, and now we're nearly ready for production. We're asking food lovers like you, people who are passionate about having real butter at their fingertips, to join us. Your support will help us fund our tooling and set up our initial manufacturing run of the Beam. Please join us by supporting Beam and help bring our passion for real butter to your kitchen. Thanks.